Welcome to Abandon Cart and Browse Abandonment, part of Email Marketing Mastery. From list building to high converting campaigns on PAMCET. Let us get started. Learning objectives. Upon completing this unit, you should be able to articulate the core principles of abandoned cart and browse abandonment in your own words without reference to notes. Distinguish between correct and incorrect applications of these principles in realistic scenarios. Identify the conditions under which standard approaches are appropriate, and when alternatives must be considered. Apply the concepts. Principle 1. Context determines appropriateness. No approach, method, or tool works equally well in all situations. What makes a practitioner valuable is not knowing the most techniques but knowing which technique belongs in which situation. This demands that you always begin by understanding the context thoroughly before choosing how to proceed. Rushing past this step is the single most common cause of avoidable professional errors. Principle 2. Precision in language reflects precision in thinking. In every professional field, the language used is not merely a convention. It is a tool for thinking. When you use terms loosely or interchangeably when they are not interchangeable, you introduce ambiguity into your own reasoning. Students of Email Marketing Mastery. From list building to high converting campaigns who invest time in understanding terminology precisely find that their analysis be. Principle 3. Every method has assumptions and limits. One of the marks of genuine expertise is understanding not just what a method can do, but what it cannot do and under what conditions it breaks down. Methods and frameworks are simplifications of reality, not reality itself. They work by holding certain things constant while varying others. When those conditions are not present in your situation, the method becomes unreliable. Knowing this protect. Principle 4. Integration over isolation. The topics covered in this course do not exist in isolation from each other, or from the broader world in which you will work. Abandon cart and browse abandonment connects to and depends upon other areas of email marketing mastery, from list building to high converting campaigns, and those in turn connect to broader professional practice. Learners who treat each unit as a separate island miss the. That concludes our lecture on abandon cart and browse abandonment. Complete the quiz and assignment to reinforce your learning. See you in the next lecture on PAMCET.